These primal nutrients support a healthy, happy dog. Maintain the health and happiness of your best friend using this exclusive formula backed by science. September 2022. New scientific discovery: scientists finally uncover the secret to a longer life for your pup. If you have been struggling for months or years to get your dog to regain its energy and zest for life with no results, know that it's not your fault. According to scientists from the University of Missouri, all the dog foods on the market, no matter how expensive, are full of hidden hormones and chemicals that are not natural or good for your pup. These hormones lead to subtle weight gain that is devastating to your dog's health. This formula is unlike anything your dog has ever had before. Just imagine what it would feel like to see your dog regaining its vitality, enjoying improved digestion, and its fur always looking shiny and taken care of. Inside every drop of UltraK9 Pro, you'll find a bespoke proprietary formula of 9 special high-quality primal nutrients that are specially created to support the health of your dog. Natural formula, no stimulants, plant ingredients, easy to use, non-GMO, no chemicals. UltraK9 Pro contains a spectrum of carefully selected primal nutrients, which can turn your dog back into the fierce, healthy, and energetic wolf that he is deep inside. These special nutrients are able to clear your dog's body of extra weight you might not even be aware of. It will strengthen his liver, kidneys, and thyroid as they can fight against unnatural GMOs, preservatives, toxins, allergenic grains, and ages that are already in his body. Just imagine how your dog's body will start working better. His digestion will no longer cause him pain and suffering. The inflammation in his body will go down, especially the aches in his joints and tendons. And all of this will add back years to your dog's life. This is the only complete treatment for dog health and longevity, and it is also the most delicious treat for your dog's meals. UltraK9 Pro has been designed to naturally support the health of your pet, no matter their age or condition. Primal nutrients are special nutrients that can activate what some researchers call the wolf switch, a natural reaction of the dog's body to these nutrients that turn him back into the fierce, healthy, and energetic wolf that he is deep inside. Dog owners who fed primal nutrients to their dogs saw that their dogs look healthier and have more energy. They also had better digestion with solid, less smelly stools, improved teeth health and smell, reduced joint inflammation. Their dogs no longer felt like tired old men, but the fierce, loyal wolves they were. Starting in the first 1 or 2 weeks, you might see your dog's coat shine, they might be experiencing more energy with every walk, and their stomach no longer be churning and groaning after meals. But the biggest changes might come a couple more weeks down the line when your best buddy will be running around like a young puppy again, with no more digestive problems at all and feeling better than ever. It's like you've turned back the clock on your pet's health. The tests we have done on hundreds of pets show that the long-lasting results appear after 6 months to a year of regularly feeding your dog primal nutrients, especially if his main source of food is store-bought pet food. If you are regularly feeding your dog raw meats and organs and homemade broths with no preservatives, then 3 months might be enough to get his body in top shape again and get him to shed some of the extra weight. Just access the link in the first comment of this video on the website, and you will have all the instructions. Make sure you do this before supplies run out. The big boy and big girl packs are by far the most popular option because they completely cleanse your dog's body of ages, from burnt food, genetically modified food hormones, and any other additives that have been clogging your dog's organs for years. Therefore, most pet owners choose them right away. Pet owners also love these options because of how much money they save by choosing them and because they can't wait to get their hands on our 2 expert-written bonus books. When you complete your purchase, we will rush to ship your order because we know how important this change is for your dog, and we are excited for you and your pet. Just access the link in the first comment of this video on the website and you will have all the instructions.